Church, I'm Vanessa, and this is John, and welcome to GT Connect. We are so glad to have you in service today, and if you're a visitor, we'd like to welcome you as well. There's a men's ministry fellowship breakfast this Saturday, October 19th at 8 a.m.
Great fellowship, even better food, or is it great food and even better fellowship? Best of all, teaching from the Word. Join Bill Jones and the men of GT Church for food, fun, and fellowship. This Saturday, October 19th, is the Boys to Men fishing trip. Come out for an awesome time of fun and fellowship, and let's see who can catch the big one.
The boys will be leaving after the men's ministry breakfast. All boys and men are welcome, and if you have any other questions, please contact Brandon Hadley. The Harvest Fest is almost here, and we would love for you to come, but most importantly, invite someone.
There's going to be food and fun. There's going to be tons of candy. Somebody's even coming to give free haircuts to the kids. It's going to be awesome. It's October 31st from 6:30 to 8:30. Rise Youth Conference is fast approaching. Youth, save your money. Adults, if you would like to sponsor a youth, please let me know.
GT Kids is a new exciting learning environment for kids K through 5th to grow spiritually, mentally, and physically for Jesus.
Raise a child up in the way they should go, and they shall not depart when they're old. Our kids here at GT Church learn about Jesus through stories and games and all sorts of things. If you would like any more information, please ask Pastor Maddie.
Pastor John is about to make his way on up, but in the meantime, please don't forget to check in on Facebook.
I'm going to have to change my clothes. Oh, and you know what? I saw some people rocking the GT stickers on the cars. That looks awesome. Thank you guys, and thanks for checking in all the time. Well, that's all we got. Thanks for watching GT Connect,
and we'll see you next week.